Hello everyone, welcome you all in the another tutorial of Python. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn about Turtle library. So what Turtle is and how Turtle is going to work. Actually, Turtle is a library which works as a graphics. So I'm just sharing my screen to show you how it is working. I think the screen is visible for all of you. You all know that REPL is a platform where we can directly write the code. Here we will go to create, and when you go to the create option, you will find the option Python with Turtle. So you will just click on this Python with Turtle option, and here you can write down any name. So because I want turtle to be right, so I will write turtle and I'll just click on create REPL. Now it's open there, and what we will see is that we will write down the command for writing, like for making a shape of a square. So in Turtle, actually, we work Turtle with the graphics. So here we can create square, we can create triangle, and we will learn about the features of moving forward our cursor, going left, going right. So this is actually the main features. We'll go with the turtle, and let's write down the command for turtle. So here I am writing down the command like import. Import is actually we use when we want to take any library. We use import, and here I will write turtle because I want turtle library to be there. Then I will write skk command. Skk is actually I'm making one variable to call the turtle, so that I don't need to write every time turtle dot turtle to call the turtle. It will be very big for me. That's why I'm making directly a variable. Now what I will do is that skk dot forward command I'll give, and I want to move my turtle with the 50 pixel forward. Now if I run this command, let's see what will happen. So here you all can see that this turtle, actually this is my turtle arrow, and this arrow going here. Now what I want that the turtle is facing towards east, and I want my turtle to face towards downside, means it should take a turn. That should be the right turn. And of course it's a 90-degree turn because I'm going to create my square. There is a very simple method of making of finding any turn for the shape. What you will do, suppose I want to create a square. So in square, how many sides do we have? 1 2 3 4. Four sides we have. Now what you will do, you will simply divide 360 by 4, and you will be getting number of degrees that you needs to put in it. So the answer is 90. It means turn right will 90-degree will come. So skk dot right I will do, and here I will write 90. Okay. Now if I run this code, you all can see here, let me remove this thing. You all can see here that my turtle is facing towards down now, and I want to create one line. Again, it will right turn, line, right turn, line, right turn. It means what I observe is that this same command, this same line of code, these two lines 3 and 4 is going to repeat for number of times. So of course I can take loop here. I will write for loop here for I in range, and the range I'm giving 4 because I want to repeat the same thing for 4 times. And after this you'll put colon. So without colon the command is not working. And of course, I think you know the rule of Python. There must be the space when you're writing anything inside the loop. You must have to give enough space, okay, that we call indentation. And after writing down this command, you will give the final command that turtle dot done. So give the command turtle dot done. This is fine. And now if I run this code, here you can see that it created a complete square in the turtle, right? So this is actually the command for making one square. This way you can create any shape. So suppose if I want to create a star, then import turtle is like the same thing we will take. Now I am making the variable with name star, and I will write star turtle dot, and this should be capital turtle dot turtle, and here I will call it with this only. And then what I will do is that I will write star dot right, and this will be 75, and after this I will give that star dot forward. So I will write star dot forward, and this should be 100, and after this I will write the for loop. So I will write for I in range 4, because the same command I'm going to repeat for 4 times, and of course indentation is important. So I will write star dot right, and this will be 144. See, you will definitely enjoy this like while making the shapes, because it's really interesting when you are when you are creating anything, like it's so interesting to create. Okay, now here I will write star dot forward, and this will be 100, and now after this I will give the final command, that is turtle dot done. So when you have done with the code, you will directly write down the proper command that turtle has done. If I run this command, let's see what will happen. So here we go, let's run it. See, it created one star for us, and that's really good. Wow, amazing. So this way you can create lots of shapes, like you can create hexagon, you know how to create the angle of hexagon. And yeah, one more example I want to give. I will create a spiral square, means a square that having the spirals. Okay, so I'm just making the variable with name wn, and I'm giving it as turtle dot screen. S will be capital when you write turtle dot screen, okay? And then I want some color, also BG color. So I'm giving wn dot BG color, and this will be the light green color. Okay, this is actually like when you want to give any background color, so that's why you can write down the command. Then you can even write down the title on the window. So on the window, I want to write down the title as turtle. That's why I wrote turtle over here. And then I will write skk is equals to turtle dot turtle. So this will be the command that you will give skk.turtle.turtle, and then skk.color, and the color I'm selecting, that's blue. Okay, and turtle, why it is not taking Turtle. Okay, this should be one dot now. That's why. Okay, now let's come to the next part. I will define uh square, right? Because we need to define the square. I'm writing just SQR FUNC, because Define we always use when we define any function. We have learned this in the function you all know very well. So I'm defining a function sqr function, and I will give the parameter size. Okay, here inside this I will define one loop that for I in range of 4. So I'm defining that for I in range 4, and then I will write skk dot forward. Um Forward I'll write as fd. Okay, so I'll write fd, and this will be the size, means because I made the size as a parameter, so that's why I give the parameter. Then skk dot left, it will be 90, and after that I will give size is equals to size minus 5, means every time whenever there will be the size, it will be decreasing by minus 5. That's why the same thing is happening here. And so my function is ready. And now what I will do, I will directly call my sqr function, sqr function. Now I will give sizes. Okay, different sizes to it I'm giving. So I'm giving size like sqr 146. Okay, then I will give some different size to it as well. So sqr 146 is here. Now I'll copy this code, and then I will paste it here. So instead of 146, I'm giving 126. Then again, I'll paste and I will give 106. So these calculations you can do accordingly. Okay, and then I'm giving 86. And so I am actually giving the same difference. If 146 minus 126, then what do you get? Please comment down in the video. I will see like whose maths is so strong. And basically when you learn about graphics, it's really make your mathematics strong. It's really, like your calculation part will be really strong, and your imaginations and the loops you're applying, right? So whenever you start making the shapes and different things by yourself, it will make you perfect. Don't worry. Now if I run this code, see what will happen when we run it. Ooh, the screen is green, and I can see that it is drawing a spiral square for me. Yeah, this is a perfect spiral square. And okay, so in this video, this is all about like how to make shapes and everything. Even I have really wonderful shapes. Further, like in next coming video, I'll explain what kind of different shapes you can make. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for watching.